Boly Pipe Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of hot-rolled seamless steel pipes in Thailand. Our main products include OCTG, line pipes, mechanical structural pipes, and other seamless carbon or alloy steel pipes. Boly Pipe was established in 2012 in the province of Rayong, Thailand. On 36 acres of an industrial estate known as Amata City. We are conveniently just 30 minutes away from Laem, Chabang ports, making it easy to distribute our quality products to customers around the world, as well as our long-term domestic clients. Our factory consists of 1 hot rolling line, 2 heat treatment lines, and 3 threading lines. Our steel pipes are manufactured using high standard processes, beginning with rotary hearth furnace, piercing machine, hot rolling machine, sizing mill, straightener, end cutting, non-destructive testing, heat treatment furnace, ultrasonic testing, chronicle desired and prepare for shipping. We have a manufacturing capacity of 300,000 tons per year. We have 300 quality staff members who are specialists in the production process. Our team of professionals have great management skills and are always ready to do our utmost to serve clients from all around the world. Steel pipe production is monitored for quality by specialists to ensure confidence that the steel pipe production is up to international standards by using these equipment and techniques. Boly Pipe Company Limited has received international accreditations from the Certificate of Authority to use the official API monogram and ISO standard. We put a great deal of attention into the development of products, which is reflected in its premium quality. Our core values are combined to become one, make progress and become successful as we strive to be the most competitive seamless steel pipe manufacturer in the world.